Hey everyone, if your Payoneer app keeps freezing or crashing on your iPhone, don't worry, this is easy to fix. Here are quick simple steps you need. First, close the app. Swipe up from the bottom and open the app wizard. Find Payoneer app, swipe it up to close. Now open it again. This clears small glitches instantly. Second, restart your iPhone. Hold volume up plus side button, then slide to power off. Turn your phone back on. This refreshes system memory and often stops app crashes. Third, check for app updates. Go to the App Store, then search for Payoneer app, then update. New updates fix bugs and old version freeze or crash very often. Fourth, check your internet connection. Payoneer needs a stable connection to load dashboard data. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on off. Freezing on the loading screen is usually a network issue. Fifth, turn off VPN, proxy or ad blockers. Payoneer blocks suspicious network. If you use a VPN, custom DNS or ad blockers, turn it off. Then open the app again. It loads normally in most cases. Sixth, free up storage space. If your iPhone storage is low, app freeze or shut down. Go to settings, then general, then iPhone storage. Delete a few unused app or files, then relaunch Payoneer. Seventh, reinstall the app. If the app is still freezes, uninstall it. Long press the app, remove or delete app, then reinstall from the App Store. This removes corrupted files that cause crashes. And that's it. Those quick steps fix Payoneer freezing or crashing on your phone. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.